Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. We are continuing the wild markets that we're getting a little bit used to. So it's been a challenge to try to figure out where you need to hedge, which side you need to be on, and it's tariffs on, tariffs off. Meeting with this country or that one. So it's a lot of moving. It makes the fundamentals kind of maybe take a back seat for a minute as the money flows in and out. So regardless, if there's a long fund in any market, you're probably a little bit more nervous than you normally are. So when you see those breaks, they happen aggressively. So we have to take what we're getting dealt here. Cash feeders have been pretty high. We had some of the deferred contracts made some contract highs in the middle of the week, which is very impressive and makes you feel good, but only to be followed by a sharp lower the next day. Cash feeders trading pretty good. Waiting on that live cattle cash. The middle of March is usually your seasonal highs for cash, and we've not been moving the needle on the upside as far as cash goes. Packers have gained some of this leverage back as they've sat on their hands and waiting for some of these weights to lighten up. I think it's starting to happen. We're seeing it. Have a little winter weather out there, and also getting a lot of these yearlings kind of behind us. Still more come. Yeah, there's still some more yearlings. When you get in that gap between the yearlings and the calves, you can see some of those weights come down, and that's probably what's holding us back. But it's been big calf, big check. That's what it's been on the fat cow side, and that's the guys that are making a lot of money feeding cattle right now. They are challenging the upside with these cheaper cost of gains. So we'll have to take it a day at a time. So far, we're getting some tariffs. Relief, I guess, from the Mexico standpoint. That could be a little bit negative on the cattle side as we get a lot of cattle from there. Canada, if we get open borders there would be a little bit negative as well. So the tariffs, can hurt a lot of agriculture and create uncertainty, but for the beef, it's a little bit different because we import so much from them. So stay tuned. A lot of news to be had here. Questions, call us Varilek Trading, Sioux Center, Iowa. Risk of loss in trading futures and or options is substantial.